Hey guys, this is the review of the RODE PSA1 studio arm. This is a microphone boom arm that is designed for studios, home recordings, voiceovers, gaming and podcasting. So this arm basically clamps onto your desk and you can attach a microphone to the end of the arm. It can swivel around 360 degrees and enables you to easily position the microphone around your desk. So let's open the box and check it out. So firstly we get this instruction manual for installation. We get these two mounting options. If you need a permanent kind of a solution, then you got to use this desk insert attachment. Another mounting option is to use this desk clamp, and this can be installed or removed any number of times. It offers more flexibility in terms of relocating the arm on the table. We get this 5/8 inch to 3/8 inch thread adapter, and this can be used for attaching larger microphones. And lastly, let's take a look at the microphone stand. As you can see, there is a sticker, and this is holding both of these arms together. So when we remove this, we got to be very careful as this is spring loaded. So the build quality is very good and it feels pretty heavy. It's got a nice look and feels sturdy as well. And as I said earlier, this has been spring loaded and hopefully it should have good tension. At one end we attach the microphone here, and the other end goes to the desk mount. It also has 3 Velcro cable wraps, and this can be used for routing the cables, which is good. And this arm has a horizontal reach of 820 millimeters and a vertical reach of 840 millimeters. It can do a full 360 degree rotation on a swivel mount, and hopefully it will maintain the position very accurately. And for the installation, the first option is to use this desk insert attachment. This is more of a permanent solution and can be fixed onto the desk that are up to 70 millimeters thick. The procedure will require drilling a hole on the desk, and after removing this nut, we need to insert this attachment inside the drilled hole and then tighten this nut from the bottom side of the desk into this attachment. And after it is fixed, the boom arm can be inserted into this attachment. The second option is to use this desk clamp, and this is the easiest to install. It can be fixed on a desk that is having a thickness of up to 55 millimeters. This option gives you the flexibility to relocate this mount to a different place on the table, or to remove this whole studio arm completely out of your desk. So let's go ahead and fix this on the table. First we need to unscrew the clamp and make this opening large. Then we need to push the clamp all the way onto the edge of the table. And make sure you don't over tighten it as it might break. After this, we just need to insert the arm into this hole on the top of the clamp, and then we should be good to go. I use the RODE NT1A microphone for my voiceovers. In order to set this up on my desk, I would certainly need a microphone stand, as this does not come with any desktop stand. Instead, I just bought this RODE PSA1 studio arm. So let me go ahead and attach it to the arm. At the end of the arm, we have a 3/8 of an inch male thread adapter. I shall be using this RM2 stand mount for mounting the RODE microphone, and I have to use this thread adapter in order to mount this on the microphone arm. So we just need to place it here and tighten it. I'll now attach the XLR cable to the mic and use the Velcro wraps to route the cable and keep it neat. This will help to reduce the cable clutter. So this is how it looks like with just the microphone, and as you can see, it is very easy to bring this mic down and position it. It just stays in place after positioning it, and you can rotate it around the axis and also move it away from your desk when you don't need the microphone. Sometimes the arm can bounce back after you position it, and this may happen if the microphone is very light. So in such cases, you just need to hold it in place for 5 seconds and leave it, and it will just stay in place. Now let us add a shock mount with a pop filter and see if it can hold on to its weight. This is the RODE SM6 shock mount that came along with the microphone, and this shock mount has a 3/8 of an inch female thread. So I'll remove the mic and place it in the shock mount and then attach the shock mount to the stand. As you can see, it is doing a good job here as well. If you are wondering if it can support heavier microphones, yes it does. It supports most microphones weighing between 1.5 pounds and 2.4 pounds, or between 700 grams and 1.1 kilograms. And of course, this should be the total weight inclusive of the shock mount. I also have the Blue Yeti microphone, and this weighs around 1.2 pounds or 0.55 kilograms. This has a 5/8 of an inch thread, and I shall be using the provided thread adapter to attach this to the stand. As you can see, it does support bigger microphones as well. I also tried mounting my Sony a6300 mirrorless camera on this arm, and this is with the stock lens, and to my surprise it does support the camera as well. I can use it for taking overhead camera shots, and this is good for unboxing videos. But I need to be careful here not to use the bigger lenses, as the arm might not be able to hold on to the weight. So this PSA1 boom arm is very silent and does not make any noise when the arm is rotated. The springs are also quiet and holds on to the weight without changing its position. This stand is very sturdy and durable. It's extremely easy to adjust the microphone to your height and position. It has the ability to rotate in all directions, and its extendable arm gives you a lot of versatility when working with different recording setups and desk arrangements. Overall, I feel that the PSA1 Studio arm is a great add-on to your existing recording setup if you have a RODE series microphone or any other compatible mic. It has a premium quality build when compared to other microphone arms. It offers a lot of convenience to adjust height to your comfort, and the swivel mount helps you to position the mic in and out of your recording space whenever needed. Before buying this boom arm, I did a lot of research on other boom arms. There are a lot of options out there that are much cheaper than this PSA1. But one thing I came to know is that they may not be so sturdy, and over a period of time they start to slowly sink down, unable to bear the weight of the microphone. Also, they may not be able to extend or swivel so smoothly like the PSA1. So far it has been working perfectly for me. I like the design and the quality. If you are investing in a good microphone like this one, be it for your gaming, streaming, recording or podcasting setup, then this should be a good add-on to your studio setup. This is a great utility for your microphone setup and useful for gaming, voiceovers and podcasting. Okay guys, that's all I had to say on the RODE PSA1 Studio arm. Hope this was useful to you. If so, please do hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.